Do you know the number one mistake that all entrepreneurs make? It's not using ads exactly like this to get more paying customers. And I hear all types of excuses like ads are hard, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm here to tell you that if you know how to do one thing well, you can create insanely profitable Facebook ads. So for those of you who don't know, this is what's called a 2 Comma Club award. This means making $1 million or more with a single funnel, guys. And this funnel actually represents over $3 million since I launched it exactly 13 months ago. And a lot of that money was made directly because of running profitable Facebook ad campaigns. Because at the end of the day, guys, all business is an exchange of value, right? So if you can bring more paying customers to your own business or to any other business, you are always going to be hugely in demand for your services. So let me show you an example of exactly how this works. A Las Vegas nightclub, for example, could hire me to fill the nightclub for their grand opening. So they would pay me to get 100 leads for their grand opening. Let's just, for the sake of example, assume that those leads cost $1. And let's say that I did a completely terrible job and only closed 2% of those 100 people, meaning that 2 people actually signed up to go to the event. So basically this would mean that they spent $100 in Facebook advertising cost to get 2 people to show up at their grand opening. But you have to assume that those 2 people, right, they both bought bottle service, they paid an entry fee, they paid all of these different service costs to actually attend that grand opening of that club in Las Vegas. And you know, a very cheap deal on bottle service in Las Vegas could be like $5,000 per table. And let's assume that, you know, they spent $10,000 combined on the cost of that table for the club. And so this would mean that $100 of Facebook ad cost generated over $10,000 for the club, very conservatively, assuming that only 2% of our leads converted to actually attend the event, and a conservative estimate on what the actual bottle service would cost for that grand opening of that club in Las Vegas. And no matter how you look at it, they're making so much more money than they're spending on Facebook ads. And that means that everyone wins. And that's something that none of these, fake, corny, scamming gurus ever talk about. And that is how I make money creating a Facebook ad agency, running ads for other businesses. And they pay me a monthly retainer to take care of all of their Facebook advertisements for them to make sure that their grand opening is full. And this same exact process applies to so many other types of local businesses, like dentists, like chiropractors, like massage parlors, like doctor's offices, and so much more. And you'd be so surprised how few local businesses know how to actually advertise on the most powerful platform in the world to advertise, which is Facebook ads. And most importantly, it's doing something that actually matters, which is helping people, helping local businesses to thrive. So you have 2 options. You can close this video and pretend like you never saw it and go back to your same old job tomorrow. Or you can break the cycle and join our exclusive completely free training. It's seriously rare in life that you get a chance to completely change everything for yourself with literally 0 risk. But that's what I'm offering you right now. But this training is not going to be around forever, guys. We close it at the end of the week forever. So if you're ever going to check it out, the time is right now. So I'll see you guys on the free training.